You're good. Oh, you do plague spreader again? That sucks.
I know. You're on that plague, man. Alright, can I start playing?
Yep.
Let's drop the tour guide. Good?
One cheese it.
He's still on that.
Well, Brian, roll. They're so cheap.
No money.
It's 50 cents.
I literally have
With salt card.
You're solid card.
What's our since Quasar?
I'm
Crap.
not selling.
Why?
Then I
He's
gotta
not
be
good.
hungry.
He lost to me.
And also, you can't get over Penguin Soldier. He's not good.
Negate Penguin Soldiers attack.
Oh, yeah, but you didn't do that.
I couldn't do it.
You got sent back to the hand instead.
Yeah, you should have gone to Photon Bouncer, but you didn't.
I don't have bounce.
Yep. Well, you should have got that instead of Quasar. Huh.
Should have thought about that.
Yup.
I did that
Deals
wrong.
damage and negates it. Should have got a Singing, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. I would have got the tour guide. Most people like not just nailing.
I do.
Oh.
But I like to set it. I like to set it, though. It's such a nice set.
Yep. I mean, Cyber Dragon. How about Drive?
That'd be really funny.
Not even joking. 100?
I saw the Khmer attack, so I believe you. Yeah, go. You draw it.
Here's your. Don't summon a monster, right?
I can't. I can do that, though. Attack for 15.
Arm?
Yeah.
Was that like a Singing?
Exactly.
Go ahead.
Now, if it was Sangan, I might have attacked with it. Set. Another 15. The 15 attack beatdown. Yep.
Someone literally beat me down with the tour guide because
Go.
Destiny Hero Defender. Mind Control.
Sure.
Flip.
Activate Torrent. I'll chain Book of Moon on your Sundays.
That's 1 second.
1 second. 1 second.
Okay. Dirty,
My card goes
dirty.
great. You know.
Dirty, dirty
It
man.
wasn't even a plus though. That's why I hate this game.
What are your life points at?
Too much. I don't know. 5,000.
5,000.
Ron, did you take one?
Activate Reckless.
No, where the hell were? What the hell's wrong with you, man?
Just trying to steal another man's.
That's not even right, man. You want to know what my Call of Duty gamer tag is? Cheese It Man XD. Signal to hell, man.
I doubt it.
I'll bet you $1 million that it's Cheese It Man XD.
No.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Top it like a boss. Alright.
Yep.
Monster Reborn. Tour Guide. Normal summon. It's like Commander. Synchro 6. That benefited me nothing. I actually am just thinking about that, and I did that completely wrong. Okay. And now with that, I will attack 26. Attack 28. Game? Yeah? Cast Source for